Hey guys, yogaphysique here. If you type a lot and your wrists are sore, this video is for you. This is Wrist Repair hosted by yogaphysique. The first exercise we're doing is the extended arm stretch. Extending your arms out to your sides. Reach away with the heel of your palm as you spread your fingers wide and draw your hand back. Now clenching your hand into a fist, drawing the fist down as you extend away through the top of your forearm. Alternating here up and down. This movement stretches out the bottom and the top of the wrist while articulating all the bones in your hands. Next up is finger exercises. Tapping each finger with your thumb, going from pinky to ring to middle to index, back to middle, ring, and pinky. Going back and forth and picking up the pace. Working to articulate each finger individually. Our next movement is opening and closing the hands, alternating between a clenched fist and an open palm. As you open the palm, feel as though you are expelling all of the tension in your hands. Now let's move on to the standing wrist stretch. Begin by extending your left arm out in front of you and drawing your right hand over top, pulling back all the fingers of the left hand, including the thumb, with that right hand over top. Now flip that left hand down and using the right hand to draw the left hand back in space. Alternate up and down, repeating the same thing on the other side, with your right hand extended and your left arm pulling that hand back. Up next, we're going to roll out our wrists, extending your arm out by your side and rolling your wrist out in a clockwise motion. Imagining that you are drawing a perfect circle with the motion of your hand. Going from clockwise to counterclockwise and vice versa. Exploring the full range of motion of your wrist. Our final movement will be the floor stretch. You want to start off in a tabletop position over top your hands and knees. Begin by rocking back and forth, ensuring that the heel of your palm stays planted to the floor. Now turning our hands so that the fingers point out towards the sides. Continuing that rocking back and forth motion. Now turning the hands around so that the fingers point back towards the knees, rocking back and forth and ensuring once again that the heel of the palm stays planted into the floor. Now flipping the hand upside down so that the top of the hand is pressing into the floor, and using your opposite hand to spread the fingers wide across the floor as you rock back and forth. Doing the same thing now on the other side. This pose is similar to the standing wrist stretch, the difference being the load, which is the weight of your body over top of your hands, which increases the intensity of the stretch. And you can control the load by bringing your knees either closer towards your wrists, which will decrease the pressure, or further away, which will increase it. Thank you guys for following along, for practicing with the yogaphysique, and for building bulletproof wrists. Remember to like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what other exercises you want to work on.